Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ween, and in this video, I'm going to show you something really exciting: how to earn money online using Monetag, one of the most reliable and beginner-friendly platforms for traffic monetization. Whether you run a Facebook page, post on Twitter or X, share pins on Pinterest, create short videos on TikTok, or even manage a small blog or website, Monetag can help you turn your audience traffic into real income. And the best part? You don't need any complicated setup. You don't need to be an expert, and there are no restrictions on location. Anyone can start earning with Monetag's SmartLink feature. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, step by step. So, stay tuned until the end, because I'll walk you through how Monetag works, how to register, how to create your SmartLink, where to place it, and how to get your first payout. Let's begin. Monetag is a global advertising platform that connects publishers, like me and you, with thousands of advertisers from all around the world. In simple words, Monetag helps you monetize your traffic, whether it comes from websites, blogs, or social media. It automatically displays ads that are most relevant to your visitors and pays you based on clicks, impressions, or conversions. You don't need to manually find advertisers or apply for offers. Monetag does all the heavy lifting for you using one special tool called the SmartLink. A SmartLink is a single, all-in-one URL that automatically redirects each visitor to the best offer available for them. That means if someone from India clicks your link, they'll see an offer suitable for India. If someone from the US clicks, they'll get a US-based offer. And you get paid for all valid traffic from any GEO in the world. Now you might be wondering, why Monetag? There are many platforms offering SmartLinks. Here's why Monetag stands out. Higher CPM rates. Monetag has been around for years with strong advertiser relationships, which means better rates for your traffic. Global reach. You can earn from traffic in any country, not just specific regions. Fast and flexible payouts. You can withdraw earnings starting from just $5 via PayPal or crypto. Real-time stats. The dashboard updates your performance instantly, so you always know how much you've earned. 24/7 support. Whenever you face an issue, the Monetag team is quick to respond. It's a trusted, long-standing platform that thousands of creators and publishers already use to make money online. Alright, let's get started. Go to monetag.com and click on Sign Up as a Publisher. Enter your details, your name, email, and password. Make sure all the information is real and correct, because Monetag requires account verification before allowing withdrawals. Once you've confirmed your email, log into your publisher dashboard. It's clean, simple, and beginner-friendly. You'll instantly see your earnings, statistics, and payment information. From here, you're ready to create your first SmartLink. Inside your Monetag dashboard, there are several key sections to explore. First, go to the Direct Link tab. This is where you'll find your unique SmartLink. Copy that link. It's your main earning tool. Next, visit the Statistics tab. Here, you can check your performance, total clicks, impressions, CPM, and earnings, all in real time. Then, under the Payments section, you'll find your total balance, available payout methods, and payment history. Monetag supports PayPal, bank transfer, and TRC crypto wallets, making it easy for everyone to withdraw earnings. Finally, check the Referral Program tab. Monetag gives you a personal referral link, which lets you earn 5% lifetime commission on the income of anyone who signs up through your link. So if your friends or audience join, you earn from their success too, forever. Now, let's see how to actually use your SmartLink and start earning. Your SmartLink can be shared almost anywhere online. For example, add it to your Facebook posts or bio, include it in Twitter or X threads, place it inside a blog article or under a Read More button, or simply attach it to a landing page or bio link where users can click. Here's how it works. When someone clicks your SmartLink, Monetag automatically redirects them to a relevant ad or offer based on their location and interests. That click or visit earns you money instantly. No manual setup or approval process required. You can also use your SmartLink with paid traffic from Facebook ads or Twitter ads, as long as it follows Monetag's policy. It's one of the easiest ways to start monetizing your social media reach, even if you don't own a website.
Now that you know the basics, let's talk about how to earn more efficiently. Tip number 1. Share your SmartLink widely. Post it on different social platforms, discussion groups, and content pages that already get good engagement. The more clicks, the more income. Tip number 2. Add it naturally. Instead of just dropping a link, write something valuable. For example, recommend an article, a trending product, or a useful resource, and insert the SmartLink inside that post. Tip number 3. Use analytics. Keep checking your statistics inside the Monetag dashboard. Identify which platform brings you the most traffic and focus more there. And tip number 4, leverage referrals. Invite your friends, followers, or fellow creators to join Monetag using your referral link. It's a simple way to build long-term passive income. So, to wrap it all up, Monetag SmartLink is one of the most reliable and easy-to-use tools for earning money online. You don't need a website, you don't need prior experience. All you need is some social traffic and consistency. Monetag provides trusted advertisers, great payouts, fast payments, and full transparency, making it perfect for anyone looking to monetize their audience the smart way. Ready to get started? Click the Monetag link in the description, sign up for free, and grab your SmartLink today. Once you've set it up, share it on your social platforms and watch your earnings grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you want me to create more guides like this one. Thanks for watching. This is Ween Boy, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep earning online.